Alright guys, time to get started on your warm-up. First thing you should do is your name, the date, and whatever cohort you're in. So inequalities, we're going to solve these the same way we would as a regular equation. We write it down. Oh, 18, not 10. I'm going to draw my line. I'm always going to combine like terms on each side first. I've got a 1x and a negative 6x. That makes a negative 5x minus 3. I'm going to put this 3 on the other side. Because they're different signs, it's subtraction, and it keeps the sign from the bigger number. I'm going to divide by negative 5. And that's going to flip the sign. When you multiply or divide by a negative, it flips the inequality. So I'm at 3. It's an open circle, and this is saying x is bigger. If x is bigger, we color to the right. Same idea here. Write down your equation. Double check that you've written down all the numbers and the signs. 5 take away 1 is just 4. Divide by 4. We're at 5. Close circle because it has the equal to or the underline. And again, b is bigger. So I'm going to color to the right. Here it gets a little bit more complicated. Same thing though. Write it down. Distribute. Oh, I'm going to draw a line. Distribute. The 3x just comes down. Negative 4 times 2x. Negative 8x. Negative 4 times a positive 2. Negative 8. There was just one extra step. Now we go back, just like we did here. Combine like terms. Same signs. They're both negative, so it's subtraction. They're both negative, so we add, but it stays as a negative. Bring the negative 8 down. Add the 8 to both sides. Negative 96, positive 8. Different signs, so they subtract. I'm getting 88, and it's going to stay negative because the 96 was bigger. When I divide by a negative, it's going to flip the inequality. So 8's the only number I care about. There's no equal to, so it stays open, and x is bigger. Here, I'm going to write it down again. Distribute. This is a negative 6 getting multiplied. So that's going to be a negative 12 and a positive 24. I cannot combine like terms because this does not have a variable. So I'm going to add that 12 to the other side because I want the variable alone. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Divide by 24. I'm dividing by a positive, so the sign doesn't change. Just using my calculator, 96 divided by 24, positive 4. Open circle, because there's no equal to, and this is bigger than, the P is bigger, because the mouth is facing that, and we're done. These ones should be easy for you. All you're doing, y-intercept, negative 4. Can you please make a note that this is dashed? You should know that that's a dashed line. Then what you're going to do next is use your slope. My slope is a positive 6. It does not include the x. Put it over 1. So that means I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right 1. Then all I'm going to do is draw a straight line. Use a ruler, use a notebook, use something. dash, 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 arrows. And this is saying that Y is bigger, so that means it should be colored on this side. If you're not sure, you can always use menu 3-2 in your graph and then 5-1 to trace and get your points. That's totally acceptable. Make sure you have 2 dots, make sure it's a straight line, make sure it's dashed and colored. Again, I'm gonna put in my y-intercept. This is a solid line. The slope is 4/1. Well, I can't go up 4 and right 1. There's just not enough room. So I'm going to flip it. Instead of going up, I'm going to go down. And instead of right, I'm going to go left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I'm going to go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Make sure your line crosses the whole grid. Put your arrows. Y is smaller, so that means we're going to color or shade this way. And that's it.